Hey guys, it's me Saroj here, and I'm going to make a project of HTML only using HTML, and I'm making the three projects, and it is really the first project. And let's ask to the cloud that will give me three projects that I will done, and I have learned the FreeCodeCamp HTML completed 302 of 302 steps completed here, and you can also come and learn here, and I will complete CSS also in next part. I'll be starting CSS, and okay, let's only make three projects of HTML only. In this video, we will only make the first HTML project and another video second and another third like that. And link is in the description. If you want to learn in free without any money from wherever you are, you can learn in free. Okay, let's start. Let's tell the cloud to give me three best project. Give me the best three projects to done using HTML only for testing the learning of HTML in full potential for future use and market ready. Like, my prompting is so much bad, so don't look at it. Okay, let's give this, and it will give the three best project to done using only HTML. Okay, let's give it. Okay, it is processing the question. Let's wait. Okay, here it gives a multi-page personal resume profile site, 3 to 4 links it says, and a recipe or article page with a table of contents and structured product catalog or course sagas page. Okay, it's give me this. It gives me three best project and one TP specific to a section also, since it is the cool double edge throw it on of messing up our code base. Okay, here are three, and first one is a multi-page personal resume portfolio site, and second is a recipe or article page with a table of contents and a structured product or course salvage page. Okay, let's first make the a multi-page personal resume portfolio site, 3 to 4 link page, home, about, projects, contact, all linked together with real navigation, forces you to make. Okay, it is here the what will home, about, projects, contact. Okay, there are three, and we'll make the three as four HTML. It says home, about, projects, contact. Okay, let's me read it properly. Forces you to practice semantic tags, heading, hierarchy, form, input, text area. Okay, here it is, and I will make first. I will make the go to the blackboard and search whiteboard. Okay, whiteboard for non-polarization. It is loading. First, I will make the plan how to do. Okay, maybe I have in Miro. Let's start using the Miro only. It will be the blur as it is my account. Here it is running. Okay, it has reached the limit. Unlock. Create new. I cannot create new word. Okay, let's create here. Oh, here is already learning. Okay. Let's here you will be the make. First is the home page. First will be the, oh, it is so small. So small. Okay, let's make this. Okay, here will be the first will be the home page. Okay, this will be the home page, and what's here tell is making a multi-page personal resume. It means we have to make the resume, like names, what I have done, about how to contact me, like that. This means we have to working, and it says proper heading, hierarchy, relative linking between pages, and working contact from using only when validation attributes like require. This is a require market ready recruiter, and even non-technical can browse it, and it becomes a sale test service. Okay, it's saying proper heading. It says to make me the portfolio websites. Let's make the portfolio website maker. I mean, let's make the portfolio website, not the portfolio of myself. Let's make the working portfolio so that everybody can make the portfolio or page person resume from this. Okay. It says me to make the portfolio site for myself, but I will make the portfolio site for others also, so that they can use and generate a portfolio resume. After that, later I will add that. Okay. Let's first here should be the title. Let's make here should be the title. Okay, it will be taking so much long as I am from the mouse, so let's I will cut this part. And no, I will not cut this such. If you want to jump to the next, I will make this prepare. You can click there click in the from going to chapters, and chapters after click after this chapter. Okay, I'll first make and take a long time. Here will be the title. Here will be the title and start, and here will be the start making your resume. Okay, let's add chapter, not this. Let's here with the title, and here will be the okay, letter is so small. Start making your resume from our website. It will be here first. Okay, this will be moved here a little bit, and we will make the starting of the title like and here we'll be set click here to make your resume free. We'll add this and make clickable, and we'll here will be the photo. Start making your resume, and here will the one photo to showcase PHOTO photo. Here will the photo, here will be the photo, and link will be here, and under that we'll make something like contact us, or okay, we'll make the contact us. Okay, we'll give the contact us and address only. Give this and contact us and address only. Yes, address only. Okay, we'll give here only the contact us and address only, not more than this. We'll only give contact us and address. Is contact us, address, and copyright. We'll give here. We'll give here copyright. So that nobody can copy or use our website, any images and any, so that I'm giving here contact us for the contact and address, and where the office or let's say is located, and copyright. Okay, so we'll make this first. We'll make this HTML, and we're gonna link this, which we're gonna make the link with this, and make all the things here. Make all the things, or let's say yes, we'll make the all things here. So first we'll start with here. We will say fill your the below form to generate the resume of yours. Okay, we'll give this here to generate the form. We'll give this here to fill the below form, and we'll make now what we will add. Let's say we'll add obviously name, after that okay, let's start. After that email name, we'll gonna add name. Okay, here it is being some stuff. Name, here will be email, then after that contact number, and after that address. Okay, email, name, contact, address. After that let's ask to the ChatGPT what we need. Okay, so I'll be making this first. What we need in the resume. What are the things we need in ChatGPT to make it professional and ready, or for any person to know why we are capable of. Okay, I am here making so much, like my prompting is so much bad, so they don't care about it. So okay, let's send it, and it will give me what we needed. First, clear specific structure go rendered. Okay, World background, output prompting, critical thinking, child learning skills. What it is giving me? I need to make in array. Sorry, my prompting. What are we need in resume? I give it ChatGPT as I was talking ChatGPT and I write the ChatGPT. What are the things we need in resume to make it professional and job level ready for or for any person to know what we are capable of? Okay, it is good. Okay, it will give me full name. Okay, it is giving me here my own. Okay, let's explore it. So it's have it's in memory. It's have my one contact information. First, it's a let's include this. Copy this. Give here contact information. Okay, we'll include contact information, full name, phone number, professional email. Okay, email and it is city and address. We'll make this address, not address address, and GitHub for developers, LinkedIn, and we will not make any portfolio website or yeah portfolio website if you have anyone to make the resume. We are making resume and portfolio website. Let's say portfolio website. Yeah, portfolio websites. Okay, let's add portfolio website no matter what happen. We'll make it later. We'll make it more clear. Portfolio website will be the best here. I think, and first we'll have the contact information, and after that I'll make it blur as you can watch this. And here is the professional summary, and we will take a horizontal line and make a summary here. So here is a summary. Let's make let's make a summary also. After that we'll make the summary of what have done. Summary. Okay, let's summary of learn. Okay, it is making here experience in building. Summary of what you learn and what you have learned, capable of and building and experience in what. Okay, we will add this in our HTML summary of what we have, and after that we have technical skills, tools, databases, any those organized skill by category instead of listing everything randomly. Okay, let's say technical skills. Okay, let's copy this, and I am not randomly copying and pasting. I'm also manually I'm editing that ChatGPT answer also. Okay, you have to also do the same when trying to, and don't try to copy the ChatGPT answer randomly. It will make so much blunder if you copy that. Technical skills. Let's make this programming language. Okay, programming language, front end, back end, databases, tools that you can use, and cloud also you should be able to use. Okay, let's here I have this little bit big. Okay, here this form is not being little bit I have make big this big, so okay, it is clear now. We have to zoom it like that to see, and in first we have contact information, then we have summary of what you have learned, then this technical skills, and after that what is a projects. Okay, here is the projects, and what is projects name, contribution, live demo. If it, okay, for each projects, and here we have to give me no again YouTube is coming here. So let's make here for the projects name also. Okay, here the most projects also here. Then we have projects also info. Yeah, it is making so much. It is being so much. I think it is being so much. What it is being so much in one page. I think so. Let's make this. So let's make this in end pages. Like we're gonna make it in 5 pages. Okay, let's make here 5 pages. Okay, it is being so blunder. Here will be the contact information only, and here will be the second summary of that, and here will be the technical skills you have learned, and after that here will be the projects that you have learned. Okay, here will the projects that you have learned, and only this much. Okay, let's move this into the another. Okay, let's move this into here summary of what you have learned, technical skills into this block, technical skills into this block, and projects block into this. Okay, let's make, I have made these project blocks into this, and it is most important for beginners. Okay, I'm reading that, sorry. And after that, what I have work experience, education, certification, achievements, language, soft skills. Okay, there are many things. Let's add works experience also. Works experience, if you have done any, that will be the many, so much many. I think it will be the 10, like that. It will be the 5 blocks, 6 blocks, 7 blocks, 8 blocks, 9 blocks. Okay, here are 9 blocks, so let's see, and we will copy that. Lala, we will do this. Then after this work experience, we'll add work experience here, and after that, okay, and here what we have done, work experience also we have added, and after that work experience, after that education. Okay, let's add education also. So we need in education also here, so I have directly copy paste here education also, and after that we need certification also. Okay, let's add certification also, and last let's add certification also. Every time that song is being clicked, I will make that also. Okay, certification also I have added. Now achievements, this certification will prove the achievements here, so we don't have to need the aid. And languages and soft skills. Okay, okay, let's add only soft skills, and soft skills, language and soft skill will be added in the one block. Okay, we don't need to add everything in everything in separate block, only in this. I think this is, oh no, it is making me so much. Let's undo it. Oh no, what happened? Let's delete this. Okay, we don't have to delete this. Okay, what happened? Let's add language here. Okay, language will be here, and soft skills also will be there. Okay, this much is will be the enough to. Okay, we don't have we don't need this, we don't need this block, so let's cancel this. We don't need this. Okay, let's add, we have add, we'll have one, we're gonna have how much? We're gonna have 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, we're gonna have 9 HTML tab. First one will be the photo, or let's say it will be the index.html, or it will be the first index.html. Okay, let's start making HTML, and I am using the VS Code to create my projects. Okay, let's start making. Here I will make the here same in this folder HTML. Let's add dot index.html. Okay, I have index.html, and now let's make the 9 folder that we needed. Is we will not using CSS and anything, so let's add another, what will the contact, it will be the contact.html, contact.html. After that it will be contact, after it will be summary.html, will be the summary.html. after this it will be the technical, after that it will be the technical tch, and I say technical.html. after that we need projects. Okay, it will be the projects.html, and make the folder name, or say file name, readable, and you should understand what file name is for what purpose. Okay, don't make this file name random. It will be the hard for us to make the projects and work on the projects. As the projects get bigger, it will be hard to know what file is for what purpose. Okay, that's why make the file name makes the file name very easy to read and understand what is this for. Okay, here is technical, and I have Forget while I think I have forget what I have done. Work experience. Okay, it is work experience here. Work experience not index. Okay, work. It will be the work dot html, and let's see, it will the work. It will be the education. DUCATION education. Okay, sorry. This has been EDUCATION education dot html, and another will be certification. Okay, let's add certification dot html, and let's add language and alien. Okay, let's make it alien and soft. Alien dash soft dot html. Okay, alien does. Okay, I have made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, there are 9, and so let's start doing index.html. Okay, here all the files are open. Let's cancel this. We don't need them to be open here for now, so let's make the index.html. Okay, first let's start from the index.html. Okay, first one we need a title here. Okay, let's make the title here. First we did the html5 template, and we know what is all for. It is for character encoding. It is for device content width. It means it is for the device scaling, like it is showing me in bigger and like websites showing according to the devices. Website content showing according to the device content. It is default, like it is the boilerplate. Let's say it is the default boilerplate that we need. Okay, let's start making the website now. Okay, it will be the let's say it will be the, what will be the title? Okay, let's make it portfolio. I don't know the spelling of portfolio also. Professional, sorry, portfolio. Resume, website maker. Let's say CV. Okay, let's say CV makers. Let's make it CV maker in free. Let's make title this character. What does CV? I also don't know the spelling of CV. CV full form. So much bad in English. CV full form. It is the curriculum vitae. The resume. Okay, here is the more detailed. Can be 10 to pages. Okay. Curriculum vitae. Make, let's say curriculum vitae. Curriculum maker. Okay, curriculum vitae maker. Curriculum vitae maker in free. Okay, title is that. Sorry, I don't want this. So now let's make the header. Here, and we know header, and it will be gonna bodies. Okay, let's make h1. In h1 we'll make, so let's say this will be the, okay, title. Here we say that what we have written here, start making a resume for our research. Okay, let's write here curriculum vitae maker free. Okay, let's run this also. Okay, so we have to run this also. Integrated curriculum vitae maker in free, so we need that in center, or let's say is there any center? Okay, curriculum vitae maker in free. I think there is not any center. Like, can I make this in center? I think here are the titles that can be made, but that are presentational. Well, let's ask the ChatGPT. Is there any a tag that can make the HTML text in center in present HTML5? HTML, is there any tag? But not in HTML5. Okay. Yes, they are using CSS now in modern time. They are using the CSS. Okay, so we will not gonna be use CSS. Okay, center. Okay, we will not gonna make this. There was the old time I know in the that free responsive course. I know that it's not in CSS. Like in old there was center. I know that, but is there any now difference in modern website they use CSS? So we will not also use this. Okay, now we're gonna make here. Okay, here we will see When VS Code, now we will see the on data what we need here. In here we need a photo. Okay, let's take a one photo, or let's say to the ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT will make the photo for me. Okay, make the photo for website to show that it make CV in free. It make curriculum data in free for jobs or to show what you are capable of. Okay, make the photo for us to show that. Okay, it will gonna make the photo for us. Okay, it will gonna make the photo for us. Okay, it will be the creating photo, and what we need there after start making your resume from our website. Click here to make resume in free. Okay, we will add this after the we'll add photo, and after this we'll make the you'll make it in S2, and second one will be the in S3. Okay, start making your resume. Okay, here my notes open. Sorry, I'm imagining it. Okay, start making your resume from our website. Okay, let's here write figure. It will be the for figure. Let's close this. We don't need right now, like the figure image is being processing, so we don't need this. So after that we need S2 tag start making resume for making resume free from our website. Okay, and we will gonna add S3 here. Okay, sorry, click here to make your resume, and we'll be the like taking care of accessibility also, as it can be used for as it can be used by everybody. Okay, so I think I have made one mistake here. Header should not be here, header should be finished. I think header should be finished here, like header will be finished here. In header it will be the nav bar. Okay, no, I have, I think, done one mistake. So let's, here is navigation will be here, but okay, we don't have to need to worry about that. Okay, here will be header, and here will be main. It will be main here. We don't need this main here. We need main downside figure. As you start making, we click here to make your resume. Let's make this big, and after that down make the footer. Let's click here, and footer will be area address, contact us, like this. Let's see in the file. Okay, so I'm making resume free from our resume. Okay, it is saying like this. Okay, let's see the does ChatGPT have made the, okay, it's asked it created of myself. Oh no. Okay, our website. Just okay, don't name only making resume in free. Okay, I handle this. Don't, it is using my own, like it is using my own name. It's ChatGPT is so much so much so much intelligent. It is using my website. Oh sorry, it is using my own portfolio. ChatGPT is so much bad in this. Don't worry. It is using my own it is using my own data to make the CV. ChatGPT, very bad. Okay, let's share index.html. Contacts also will be add, and contacts us we will gonna add. Okay, let's add your first the first will gonna add contacts us. First we're gonna add contact us. After that break line, so we don't need to add break line, so let's make here phone number. Okay, let's add phone number here, plus 9779. Let's, I am from Nepal, I will gonna use 98, and after that we need 8. Yeah, we're gonna add 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 19. Okay, 9 numbers. And after that email will be also example@gmail.com. and after that, does we need any contact us? Okay, we don't need. Now we need location. Location will be, we're gonna add like this. First the rural municipality, or let's say Pokhara. I'm editing randomly. Okay, I am not, it is my real, it is not my real, or let's say it real also, no matter what. Pokhara 3 Kaski, Nepal. Okay, here will be the first, the rural municipality, or what, like rural municipality or urban municipality, and the ward number, and after that district, and after that the location of the country or name of the country. Okay, location also 8. And after that we don't need, this, like inside the test we don't need this line. Outright copyright all reserved to the CV Maker website. Okay, it is being so much bad here, so let's make this, let's give it to the chat GPT, and it will gonna polish my details. Okay, so I will say polish this for me. Okay, it make the CV also, so save image also. So I'm gonna save in that folder. So go to desktop, HTML. Here I will say CV image. As name of the image will be also clear, as it will gonna make the problem later, so make it clear. CV image. Okay, I have added inside. Now let's go to here, and okay, let's tell the cloud to police. No, let's use ChatGPT also. It will gonna use. Okay, make it professional. Okay, make it professional. Is, I don't know what that copyright all reserves to the C maker rights. That's why I'm giving here. Okay, no. Let's only use my original one idea. Let's only that make it professional. Okay, I don't know how to write the copyright all reserves to C maker. I don't know how to write professionally. Okay, yeah. Okay, here it is. I got the CV maker. Okay, here is one professional CV maker. I got. Okay, I don't know what we write, so I am using this. CV maker. Alright, Siza. Okay, let's see here. Okay, it have right the all things that we needed, and we need this also clickable also. So let's make it contact us. So don't, let's use this, and here let's break line. Okay, and here also will break line. Okay, let's break line this also, and after that also break line. Let's break line, and after that also we need to break line. Okay, let's see here. We have break line also. Okay, in CV, like, let's again break one line. Is after one element it break one line. Let's break another line also. Okay, here is what we needed. Now let's add CV also. Okay, let's add the image also. Sorry, let's add image also. Image source will be CV, as we are in the own folder. I think source should be the, yeah, I think the single dot is to, like, I have read single dot is to go to the own current directory top, and we'll see from that file. We cannot write directly index.html or like that. We cannot that is, I don't know what was I like. I was thinking like there was single like CV and dot it will, but it was not in HTML. It's just like this single dot for current directory, and double dot to get out of the directory. Okay, and single dot to get the files from this current directory. It is the current directory or current folder. It is not directory folder is same. Okay, we're gonna use this and alt should be very good, not very bad. CV advertisement advertisement what is the spelling of advertisement? CV advertisement, I don't know the spelling of CV advertisement. Also correct this. Okay, let's also correct this. I don't know the CV advertisement. Also CV advertisement. Okay, advertisement. My English is so much bad, so much. CV advertisement photo advertisement photo. I am writing this and copy. Let's now write fig caption also. Okay, I think fig caption is not necessary to write. Was not let's write also. Okay, let's start and CV. Let's see now what it look like. Okay, it looks like this. So much big, I think. I have to start. It is looking so much big, I think. Yeah, it is looking so much big. Let's. I think it's HTML have width and height also. Okay, it have width and height also. Let's make it 500. Height also. Let's make it 500. So let's see now what it looks like. Okay, in 500 it's looking so bad and ugly. So let's make it 800. 800 height 500. Okay, let's. Now it is looking nice, I think. Yeah, it is looking nice, I think. Okay. Let's make it 900. Okay, let's make it 900 and see it. Okay, start making your research resume. Okay, here already written what we needed. Now customer friendly. Start making us also. Click here to make that. Let's make this. I think contacts us needs little bit break line. I think they need 3-4 break line. By this break line it is not enough. I think they need more break lines. Now it is being okay. Let's again to BR. Okay, here it is now. Remain free from our website. Okay, click here to make. Now everything is good and okay. I think I need to add this in fig caption. I think it will look good in fig caption. I think. Okay, let's add as to and inside this double as to not to worry. Okay, let's see what it look like. No, it's coming in the center. Okay, I think it will comes in center. Sorry. My bad. So lost. Okay, it is only this much. Why I am using here figure is because it moves my picture to the center like that. It's moved from its center. Okay, that's why I'm using the figure. Otherwise I will directly can write image src, but I am using figure to make it in properly and HTML5 syntax correctly as in modern website we have done. So click here to make this. So let's make this clickable a and we know where to move it dot here, and we'll go to first contact dot html. Okay, here it comes. Contact.html. We first go to the contact.html. Is it was our a. Okay, let's we have made a also. Okay, why it is showing? Oh, it is showing. That's why it is showing. Okay, I think now it is correct. Yeah, now it is correct. Like click here to make your website. Yeah, now it is going to the contact HTML. Yeah, let's see here. Start making your. And this also needs to be clickable. Like this also needs to. I think this also needs to be the clickable. Okay, let's make phone number also clickable. Okay. Ref equals to tail, like this, like this, tail ref or tail to like this, something this was like that. I forgot what ref or tail to something was like this. Okay, let's see or see. I think it is not telephone or it is or not. I think let's first add here this telephone. So let's see first it works or not. Telephone. Ref. Let's see first it works or not. Like telephone. I don't think it is telephone or what. But it is, I know. So let's make also mail also. Ref. Okay. Let's mail to example@gmail.com. Okay, let's make this also. Go to copy here. Okay, I think it will be the clickable now. I think yeah, it is being clickable, but it will go to the Gmail and telephone or not. Let's check that also. Okay. Okay, let's we have make this and let's give it to the ChatGPT. Does it is correct or not? As I want to ask, it is. I think it is correct. Okay, let's the new chat. Is it correct or not? Let's say is the A tag correct or not? I think telephone the following the space inside real value will not contain any space. Oh, it shall not contain any space and mail to also. Okay, mail to and both are not. Okay, okay, I got the answer. Okay, we will not add this for professional site. You can also add this like it is a parameter subject. Subject no, is a query subject equals to contact persons 20 request. Okay, that's also can be added if it is to make the. Okay, let's let's remove the space here. Only is to remove the space. We don't need all the things. It will be the hard for us. Okay, now we have make this also. Let's make this link also clickable. This also clickable. Okay, href. We're gonna add a link here. Make this. Let's make this location also clickable. Okay. Okay, let's make this location also. Here, let's go to maps. Maps. Let's go to maps. Opening maps also being open. Let's search Pokhara. Okay, it is here. Share link. Copy link. Let's copy this link. Okay, we're adding only the link. Okay, here we are not adding the real address. Only this much, and it will be the close. Okay, let's make this little bit small. Okay, I think it is not clickable. I think like it is not being clickable. I think there's something is being problem. This ARF is coming here. I think now it is clickable. Oh yeah, now it is being clickable and moving us to yeah, it is moving us now Pohara. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's address also being clickable. Again, let's run this. Start making your resume. Resume, okay. Contact us also is being fulfilled. Let's make this contacts us also. Oh no, here mine is being so much. DRSS address. It is being so much complicated. Why it is being this? S3. Let's make this contact us. CUN contact us. Let's see. Okay, now contacts us being separated by BR tag. Okay, I think BR tag is not needed here. It is making too much far. Okay, this much is okay. This much is okay now. Now let's make the contact as index.html is finished. I think as much. This is almost finished now. I think. Yeah. After this much is finished. Main also we have, right? Body also, address also. Okay. Now let's move to the contact.html. Now in contact.html, what we say? We will be donning here. Fill the below form to generate the resume of yours. Okay. First we will add the contact information. Okay. Now let's add the contact information. First we will write HTML5 boilerplate. And let's move to the header. Delete the header and let's it use as one. Contact information. Okay, let's add contact information and as to fill the information form move ahead or move ahead. Okay, we have now make. Okay, we are now here. Contact information form to move ahead. Okay, now let's make the form. Okay, we are now making index.html. We should close it. Now we'll make the form. Here header.html. Now going to use main. Inside that main we're going to use form. Okay, we don't need action or method here now. We only need this. Now form will have field set. Okay, we're gonna make it one field set and legend. In legend we will include contact information. Okay, let's see what much legend have done. Information, let's say contact information form. Okay, form. Now we have right field set also. Now let's add label for name and close this. Enter full name here. Label is finished. Now input type equals to text and id will gonna be name as we have used in for. Now type also name will be equals to name to give the server who is the name, and value we don't need value as we don't need value here. Yeah, name id and let's say write light placeholder also with example. Let's write my own name and let's say minimum length. Okay, minimum length will be 1 to minimum we cannot write. Okay, minimum should be 5. Let's say minimum should be 5. Max length should be is name cannot be more than 30. Let's say okay, name cannot be more than 30. Okay, let's check here. Say I said maximum length is equal to 30. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's again write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10, that's 10 also, and 10 10 20. I have write one again. 9, it is 20. Now after 20 also 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, it is not being written now. Now let's see here. It is now after that 90 is not in any number is not being clickable. Any number is not being clickable. Only after 9 only 7. Okay, so your max length is the only 30 numbers. 30 can be clickable and minimum also being not clickable. Okay, we understand what it is for. If we write here 30 in place of, let's make it 40. Let's take it real values. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 30. 1 2. Oh, I think full length of the full name that can be entered here should be 30. But let's ask to the chat GPT. Why not being placed to the 50? Why here? Auto character. Means which doesn't mean the input box will visually expand to show. Thus, the input will make look stuff sorry because the white of the box is small. When it says if you want to, oh, I understand now. Oh, size also should be the 40. Okay, I understand that. Okay, it was only usually showing that, not doing the size also need to be the 40. Okay, it can only show up to the 30 size. Okay, let's make size also 40. I understand why it was not showing. Okay, now I have written label for also. Now write label. Now it's br. Let's br will now label for equals to, we think, what was their label for, and phone number. Okay, directly phone number. Okay, not slide phone number. First we should write email. Okay, let's write email. For email, enter email be a label. Okay, I am writing label 2 times. Don't need to write label for, okay, 2 times. Now I have to write input type equals to email equals to email, name equals to email. Now name also place folder will be example dot sample@gmail.com. Minimum length should be 5. Maximum length maximum length should be, let's say, 50. Okay, and size it should be also 50. I think yes, size so 50. Even after breaking lines, it's not showing here. Okay, the sample, it is not showing there. I think even I have break lines. Let's break 2 lines. Okay, now it is showing. It is breaking lines. Yeah, now it is breaking. After breaking 2 lines, it gets me where I am. Let's minimum size 50. Yeah, placeholder also I have right. Email name also. Now it's time to write label for number. Now enter phone number. Now I have to write input type equals to number. ID should be equals to NMBR number. Name should be equals to number. Sorry. We will not write the its phone number will be shown. Just that person can be from any place, so we will not write phone number. Now minimum length will be depending upon the country. Less minimum length will be, maximum length should be 20. Okay, let's make it 20. And now after that break line. After that we need label for, let's see what we need, email address. Okay, now we need address. Okay, now we need address label for, now let's them label for ddress address Enter full address. Now input type equals to text. It will be equals to name, not name. This will be address. Name should be equals to address. This is address. Placeholder example. or1 after that district, after that entire country. Rural or1 country district, and minimum length should be, let's say, 20, and max length should be as at 70. Okay, then size should be 70. Let's size make also 70. Okay, this much is needed. Well, let's see what happened. This phone number gets stuck there. Why does phone number reclines, doesn't reclines? Oh, here it is not being br, that's right, br, let's say br here also. Now I think it will be showing like allow, it is being showing in label. Okay, now right. Okay, let's set placeholder here also. Don't know. And 7, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and then x. Okay, now it will be showing x. No, it is being shown in its placeholder also. Now after that, what we need, let's see, GitHub link. Okay, okay, now let's add address also. Now GitHub link and portfolio side. Okay, now add, now let's make it br, and again br. Now let's add label for GitHub. Let's add GitHub for developers developers, and now writes input type will be, I think, is link. The link is not the type or not. Let's check the type is link or not. Input type is link, can return, and that type equals to link. There is no error. Here's type URL name placeholder. Okay, we can now write type URL, only type. Okay, we can write the URL, not the link URL. Okay, let's check type URL. ID will be GitHub, name will be also GitHub, placeholder equals to, I need for GitHub, give me placeholder for, so let's ask the give me placeholder for GitHub, LinkedIn, and portfolio site. Or okay, scheme your username. Okay, here I have got in its username. Okay, placeholder, I'll copy it from there. Okay, now let's leave it as it is, and let's don't need to make it minimum or maximum. Okay, let's check that also. No, okay, let's make more personal. Okay, let's count the word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19 almost we need 20. Almost we need 20. Okay, minimum should be 20 and maximum length will be, let's make 50 or 70. Okay, let's make 70. Size will be also 70. Okay, let's make 100 no matter what. Can be long. Okay, placeholder I have already written. Now it is not required. We are at level for LinkedIn. Link LNKE KE KEDIN. Okay, okay, LinkedIn import type will be URL, ID will be link, and LinkedIn name will be also link LinkedIn. Placeholder will also be here, and minimum length. Okay, so let's see minimum length of the LinkedIn also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, let's make it minimum 28. Okay, minimum 20 or 30. Let's make it 30. Minimum length 30 and max length 100. Okay, let's make it max length 100. Size will be also 100. Let's make it size also 100 and br. Let's add br tag. Now write label for, okay, now label it for website, and there's it photo. Spelling of portfolio I don't know what the heck I mean. Portfolio, portfolio, portfolio. Portfolio. Now let's make of portfolio also. Now let's make input type equals to URL, ID will be website, name will also gonna be website, placeholder, I don't know, minimum length, let's make it random 10, max length will be, let's make it 100, size also 100. Okay, now we are almost done, I think. Yeah, we are done. Now we are done with this. Okay, now break line. Okay, we need to go out of field set, break line, break more line, and writing h3 here to next page. Click here to move to next next page. here, click here to move to next page. Credential spelling also I don't know. Let's ask DNTIL credential spelling also. CREDNTI. Wow. Oh no. TIALs. Okay, it is TIALs. Credential. Okay, it is credential. I got it now. Okay, first let's fill the placeholder. Let's fill the placeholder value example dot. Okay, it is using my own example. Now minimum example dot LinkedIn placeholder also I got it now. Portfolio also I will got it here, and click here to move also. Click I will make ref link dot where we should we go now is the summary.html. Summary.html. Okay, summary.html. Now make it let's see here what we have done. The next page to fill the horror to click here to move to credential. Okay, now it is ready. Okay, now it is ready. Portfolio image here. Select portfolio website. Okay, here it is portfolio website. Now it is correct. Okay. Okay, now I have to take one break. Guys, it's been 1 hour almost, so I'll take a break for some time, and again come back and I'll do it project. Okay. Okay, now microphone is working. When I was doing recording just now, it's the microphone has been stuck or whatever. I fix it now. Okay, let's start where we are. We are in the index.html and we finish this also. Let's run this still. Okay, let's run this first and see where we are. And I take too much long break. Okay, it's 6:44. We take break in 1 p.m. and now 6:44, almost 6 hours. Okay, let's start where we are here. We have made this also now. Contact information also. Okay, we are in the summary. Okay, let's start this close. Okay, let's go to summary.html and see. Let's see the planning where we are. Okay, summary of what we have learned. Okay, this is what we have come. Let's see. This is the contact information. Let's make it summary. Okay, first here first let run html5. Sorry, HTML boilerplate I need. Okay, I got it. Now let's make it summary. Okay, I think I have missed in this contact.html also. Yeah, it is document contact information formation contact information. Now is this correct? We are in summary.html. Okay, let's write it as one summary of yourself. Okay, let's here write. Oh, I forgot to write something here. Header. Let's write header also and copy this. I'm gonna paste here. Okay, header will be the inside of this, and okay, header, and let's write here. Let's write this in the h2 form, or let's write this in h3. No, no, let's write in S2. Okay. No, I am doing one clear. Okay, let's write in S2. Let's write describe your describe your skills, education, describe your skills, educations, and okay, let's see what we have to describe. Let's say, okay, let's see that ChatGPT have given me like what I have to describe. Okay, it is still being loading or what? I think it is in my search. No, no, let's check here. Where to programming skills, projects, work escape, experience, certification, language. Okay, describe your education, and experience that you have gained in your life in 150 words. Let's say, okay, 150 words also belong in 100 words. An experience that you have gained in yourself in 100 words. Okay, experience that you have gained. Okay. I'm trying to do one thing here. Describe your skills, education, experience that you have gained in your life. In one experience that you have gained in your life, and it should include what you have learned, what you are capable of, the skills you have mastered, what projects you have done, and what you are capable, what projects you have done. Okay, I am making it. Where is my here? What you that you have it my VS Code, what interface also little bit too worried or too much blue like his handwriting also. I'll correct it in next project. Now I will work in this style interface. It is not problem with me. I think it is problem with you. Don't worry. I will tell where we are. Okay, what projects you have done and what you are master, what skills you have master, what you are capable of, and what you think of yourself in 100 words. Okay, 100 words will be still okay. 100 words will be fine. I think, yeah, 100 words will be very much fine. 100 select match is 100 to 120 words. It will be more to write, like we have described many things. So as to also will be this, and header is complete. Like I think header is complete. Yeah, header is complete from this. Like let's make the main here. Now we'll add the text area and we'll label this also. Okay, first light text area. Text area ID will be this. ID will be main, or let's say ID will be summary. Okay, name will be also summary. Okay, placeholder, or okay, like placeholder also. Okay, we'll write placeholder also, and after that we'll write size also. Size will be 120, and minimum length will be 100. Okay, minimum length will be 50, and maximum length will be, sorry, maximum length will be 120, not more than that. Okay, let's accept 130 words, leave that 130 words also, nothing will be happen gonna. It is it only for project, not the industry level. Okay, I think this much is needed here, not more than this. Okay, let's see what it have becomes. What? Okay, here we are getting the text area. but I want it to be the big, not this small. It is not being the big here. I think only this much I am able to writing. Yeah, and this much only be able to writing. Why this happening? I think we should, but let's ask to ChatGPT why I am only capable of writing only this much. Why I cannot write 120 words here and not showing in text area. Okay, this is text area doesn't have a size attribute. Oh, text area doesn't have a size attribute. You can type but cannot see the text. The problem usually as or not. Okay, it says the text about you have. Okay, it says us to use. Okay, it says. Okay, we need CSS for that. Okay, leave it yourself. Leave. Okay, we're gonna leave this. We're gonna leave this no matter what happen. It needs. Is it needs. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, it needs more than. It requires CSS us to edit this, so we're gonna leave this as it is. Okay, let's label this only and finish. Cancel. Okay, we're gonna leave this as it is. We'll write label for summary and summary here, and label will be closed. Okay, let's see summary here. Okay, we're gonna edit this in CSS after we launch CSS. Okay, let's make it now only this much, and I think it is finished now. We don't need anything. Main also closed. Okay, now let's make footer. Let's say footer. Okay, let's say footer. I think that last part also, I think in contact.html the last links will be in footer, I think. Yeah, I gave it inside the form. I think it should be inside the. Oh, I make many mistake. Now I am knowing what mistake I have made. Okay, let's copy and read this. I have not made the submit button yet, and how can I go? Okay, I am now knowing what I am missing. Okay, now make the button of submit button type equals to SUVMIT submit. Okay, submit button it will be. Now I think it will be working. Now it is okay. Yeah, now it is good. I forgot one thing. I know what I have forgotten. I forgot the submit button. Yeah, I forgot the yeah, it now and for all the submitting. Yeah, I forgot the submit button here. That's why I'm thinking what I am missing. Now I have know what I have forgotten. Okay, form S3 it will inside the main, and here is not BR, it is outside the field set. I think this should be inside the field set, it will look good. No, outside the field set it is good. It is looking good. Okay, now we want BR here. Let's add footer. Footer is being closed. We'll put this inside the footer. Oh no, sorry. Copy. This is also inside the main. Yeah, this was inside the main folder. I forgot to write main. Okay, main also nice. Now footer inside it will go. Yeah, what I forgot is this. Now it is inside footer. Let's see what. No, it's still not going down. Okay, we will break line here. Again, break line here. Okay, let this be here also. Now I think it will gonna. Yeah, yeah. Now looking good. I think for the submit button, let's make it one step closer. I think it will look good now. Yeah. Okay, summary, not summary. Let's leave some more space so it looks good. Now I think it will gonna good. Okay, now it is good. We don't need too much space also. Okay. Now we have written footer also. Now let's go back to summary also written. Now makes the footer. Oh no, we'll make the footer inside the main. Inside the main we should make the submit button. Okay, let's make the submit button here. BUTT and button type will be submit. SUVMIT submit. I think submit button also will be small. Yeah, submit, and its name will be SUVMIT submit. Now what is looking like? Submit is installed. So let's make BR line. BR line. Okay, now I think it is looking good. Yeah, now it is looking good. Okay, now inside the main we're gonna make first S3 and now href equals to, we have to go to where? Now after summary we have to go to, I think after summary that is technical. Yeah, let's see our map where we have to go. After submit we have to go to technical skills. Yeah, okay, after that is technical. Don't worry, I will write here, right click here to move to what we have written. Let's say click here to move to next page, to fill the other credential. Okay, we have write that move to click here to move to next page to fill the other credential. Okay, it is finished. I think now it is also finished. Yeah, it is also finished. Let's leave some BR and it will also be finished. Okay, I am writing BR here. Okay, this much BR is enough. Okay, now we are moving to next page. Summary.html page also finished. Now let's move to the next page. After that summary we will going to be here. Okay, it is now finished. I think, yeah, it is finished. Yeah, it is finished now. We don't have to do anything like here. Okay, now let's go to the summary. First HTML boilerplate. Let's make here. Now it will be technical skills. Title will be CHNICL technical skills. Now body will be header. In header we're gonna write H1. This is technical skills, and we will put this still inside the technical skills. Okay, technical skills we will gonna make here the option also. Okay, technical skills header will be now. Let's make the main here thing. Now let's make the field set we have made. Now make the legend also. TC HNSL technical skills. Okay, now we have written technical skills also. Now let's check this also what it is showing. Okay, technical skills also showing. Now let's move back to the way with the ChatGPT gave us. Formatting ChatGPT. I think here we have ChatGPT professional skill. Okay, here we are. Next time. Okay, let's see. I should copy that. It isn't making now education. Here, I think here, yeah. Here is technical skills, programming language, front end, back end. Okay, we're gonna make for this. For this, I think I should make the checklist. Okay. Yeah, I think make the checklist here. Should make the checklist is option also. I know that HTML have one. What will fit here? Like checklist? No, checkbox. I think checkbox will be suitable here. Yeah, programming language. Okay. Checkbox will be fit here. Okay, let's make the checkbox. Okay, first let's make the checkbox and we'll see what will happen. First level for I will see make is programming. I will only write here programming, which I understand. I can understand this. PROGRAMMING programming language. GUAGS LANGUAGS language. I am confusion in language also. And GUAUGS. Yes, this is language, programming language. Okay, now I'm gonna write input. Input type will be, I think checkbox will be suitable. Yeah, checkbox or select. Let's say checkbox will be suitable. Yeah, checkbox will be suitable there, I think. Yeah, checkbox will suitable. Okay, checkbox. After that, it will gonna have ID of programming. So GRAMMNG programming, and it will gonna have name also programming, and it will contain the value. Okay, I'm getting something here. Now programming, I have written the programming language, but here after this in S3, I think it should have PROGRAM programming. I think I should have another field set here so that it will look good. Yeah, let's make another field set inside this field set, and here will be written PROGRAM programming LANGUAGS programming language, and here will be label for let's make this label for Python. Here write PYTHN Python, and let's make this small. ID will be Python, and programming will be, and yeah, value will be equals to Python. Now it is correct, I think. Yeah, field set I have written here. Let's the field set copy and write down. I think it's will be inside the legend. Yeah, legend. So delete this. Okay, now it is inside the legend, and let's see here. Okay, now it is looking good. Yeah, now it is looking good. Okay, let's here Python. Right now I will copy this and change the value only. Copy. We're gonna make for 5-6 language. Okay, let's see what is language. JavaScript also a programming language. Yeah, JavaScript also programming language. Okay, top 10 programming language. PROGRAM programming language. Okay, language. Let's see what it gives. Okay, we'll write 10 only. C. Okay, the most popular C. Okay, Python. Okay, I'll write Python. C. Will gonna be for C. Okay, let's write here C. Checkbox, and name ID will be C. Value will be C here. Now let's say C, Java, C++, C hashtag JavaScript. Okay, just make it JavaScript also. JavaScript, and the value will also be JavaScript, and the value will be JavaScript here. Now it is looking good. Now let's make here C++. Okay, small C++. Okay, and here we C++, and ID will be C++, and programming value will also be C, and I need to check that C++ also later. Okay, I will put here comment so that I will know. I have to check it later and know. Should check the value later while connecting to database. Okay, I have to check the C++ also. S plus can be plus can make our value wrong. S plus can do something over it that can make our value or URL wrong. Okay, we'll check in later. We don't need to worry about it. We are only using HTML, so we don't need to be worried about what we are using. Now after that, we need here level 4 we have written already. Okay, now let's check what we needed. Okay, level 4. Now we'll write Java here. For Java, Now we'll write here Java. Okay, the value id will be also Java, and value will also be here Java. Now let's write one SQL here last. SQL. Okay. Oh, I wrote bigger one. This bigger one get worried here. We can write bigger one also, but bigger one get worried. That's why I am writing the small. Small is so much easy to use and move here and there. Now this will be also SQL name, and value will be SQL here. Okay, let's see what. Okay, now we get 1 2 3. Okay, now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this much is okay. Let's write 10 also. What we have to write? Okay, 6 7 8. Okay. Oh no. Okay, what else? 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now this is 10. Okay. 6 we have 6. Oh no, not 10. It is not 10. Sorry, it is not 10. What happened again here? Oh, nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. We don't need to worry about. Okay, it is not my what programming language syntax or say indentation is not correct. It will be automatically correct by VS Code. We don't need to worry about it. One is going, it all is here, and one is going. It is, we don't need to have worried about this. Will be automatically syntax and formatable. It will automatically be in format, so we don't need to be worried about that. Okay, now let's change the value of let's see what are the C hashtag. We have write this also. C hashtag C sharp R Rust. C sharp R Rust. Okay. Okay, now write C hashtag. Okay, we're gonna write here C hashtag, and ID will be C hashtag, and value will be C hashtag. Now will be C sharp. It is R language, I think R. Yeah, it was R, I think. Yeah, R. It was R, and we'll write R here. So it will be R also. Value will be for R, and let's make this small. Now we will make it Rust or say Visual. Yeah, it was Visual Basic and ID. Okay, I have add Visual Basic ASUL Visual Basic BASIC Basic. Okay, now we will write Visual Basic ASUL Visual Basic. I think it's now right. Okay, here also SUL Visual Basic. Okay, now we have write Visual Basic also. Now last will be Rust, I think. Yeah, last will be the Rust RUST Rust, and input type checkbox. ID will be Rust here. Programming name and value will be Rust here also. Okay, I think it is now. Every time my it is moving here and there. Okay, now we have, so we can break line also, but it is looking good here, so we don't need to break line here as it is. Look, and we will leave some space after using C. Now it is correct. We don't need to leave some space here. So after programming skills, let's move to another field set. Okay, now we'll make another field set. Okay, now we'll make another field set in legend. We'll make the front end after legend. We'll make again the same level 4 and same we're gonna do here also, so you don't need to write code again and again. Code or markup language, not code, sorry. So we will gonna write here HTML. Again I have written in big letter HTML. ID will gonna be also HTML. Value will also gonna have value will be also equals to HTML. Now write another. Now it will be or CS. I think everybody is getting so much worried, like without leaving space it is being so much hard for us to understand what is happening. Okay, now I think everybody will understand. Okay, let's leave here some space. Now it is being gap, and it is being easy to see, like everything was stuck here and there, and you are being, I think my eyes are also getting where I am looking, and many data on my screen making me confusion, like that. Okay, let's start there. Let's just right here, don't talk here and there. CSS, write this CSS. Python will be CSS name, and value will be also CSS. A server will get this. Now this is correct. Now let's see here. It says front end CSS3. Okay, CSS3 HTML5. Okay. We should write the name of the versions, or let's say, okay, let's have to write the name of that also. Yeah, it is right, only showing the HTML5, but don't worry. Tailwind CSS also. Okay, right, tailwind CSS. We'll write this tailwind only. Don't need to worry about tailwind. Okay, ID will be tailwind programming, and value will also be tailwind. Okay, now it is now, like we have to write one also, other another one. I think it is React. Yeah, I think it is React. Yeah, I think it is React. REACT React. Oh no, I write in type. It is not here. We shall have to write React. Here we shall have to city React, and here we have to write React. If there is background noise, ignore that, or I will make it mute. Don't worry. REACT React name. It is programming. Oh no, I should make this front end. Yeah, I remember. I forgot this also. Now we are in front end. FRONT front end. FRONT front end. Okay, now we shall write front and FRONT front end. Okay, FRONT front end. I remember I forgot this also. We are in the front end. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it is looking good, but some space needed so that it looks nice. Okay, I think 2 BR break line will be enough. Yeah, now it is looking good, but it is looking too far also. So let's see now. Yeah, now it is being good. Yeah, now everybody can understand. Now, okay, let's add another BR, and again field set. Now legend. Inside legend we have backend. BACKEND backend. I think backend spelling is something. Oh no, it is correct. We don't need to worry about. Okay, now we have right now level 4 we needed. Okay, level will be here. My favorite one, fast API. Fast API. Now we will make this fast API. For programming we will make it backend, and for value we'll wanna make it fast API. Okay, let's copy this. Copy. Okay, now we're gonna write here what for backend. ChatGPT gives us flags. Okay, we'll write here flags also. Django also we'll write. Don't worry. And all these three are Python frameworks. Python frameworks or Python backend, like using Python, and from this, let's say here flask flags, flask flags. Now write another one, and we'll write a Django. I think JavaScript also have a backend framework or what? Yes, JavaScript also has backend framework. I don't know what JavaScript. I am also new in program, but I'm old. But now from doing what I am telling, leave it. I don't need to explain what I am telling. It is my first time talking in English and doing video, so it is being bad. Don't worry, my English will improve after practicing. REST API. Okay, we'll write REST API. Okay, it needs to be REST APIs. Okay, we will make it ID. Again, I write in capital. REST API. REST API. Yes. This also finished. I think. Yeah. This also finished. Now we leave some BR and again field set. We will line legend. Now it will be for databases. Lang front ends, back ends, databases. Okay, now database is written. We will label it and label it for SQLite. Okay, SQLite, SQLite. Oh no, SQLite. Yeah, it is SQLite. Yeah, SQLite. Now right here, SQLite. Here also, yes, SQLite, and name will be database. Your value will be SQLite. Okay, your name will be SQLite. Okay, name will be SQLite here. Now after that we will copy this. Yeah, we'll copy this. And paste here. Okay, let's ask Brave top 5. Okay, first let's copy top 5 database used in top databases used in. Okay, let's write here. What will you give? Okay, MySQL. Okay, MongoDB also being used. Okay, MySQL also will include. Okay, now it will write MongoDB here. MongoDB, and it will gonna have MonGO MongoDB. MonGO MongoDB, and value will be also MongoDB, and like here will be PostgreSQL. Okay, again I'm making the same mistakes. PostgreSQL. Okay, SQL. We'll write here PostgreSQL. Okay, here we'll write PostgreSQL. It is PostgreSQL. Okay, now value also. Now last one. We will take last one MySQL. Okay, let's take MySQL. MySQL. Okay, let's take MySQL. Okay, let's take MySQL. Here ID also MySQL, and value will be also MySQL. Okay, I think it is enough. Yeah, it is enough now, I think. Yeah, it is enough now. Okay, again let's leave some space here. BR. Now write field set. Okay, I think now it is for tools. Yeah. Label. I think now it is for tools. Yeah, it is for tools now. Tools, TOOLS, tools. Label. Sorry, it is leaving label here. It is legend. Sorry. It should be LE. Sorry, I should have written legends. Now it is being correct. Yeah. Now let's write label for. Let's write Git here, and I will name it is tool, and value will be Git, and ID will also be Git. Now we'll write here Git. Okay, now we'll copy this. Copy. Okay, now we'll write here it is GitHub. Okay, Okay, we will write this as GitHub. Now we will write this as GitHub. Okay, now another one level for we'll write this VS code. We'll write this VS code value also VS code, and we will write this VS code. Okay, we'll write this as VS code, and after this we'll now Docker. I don't know what this dot is Docker for. If anybody know what does Docker do, let me know in the comment section, so I can also know what does this Docker do, or I will also learn later this. I was seeing this Docker in Claude or with ChatGPT, like it was saying me you should learn Docker also later for job. Okay, this much field set is tools, and this much is okay. This much is we don't need so much. Okay, let's br and leave some space. Okay, I forgot to leave some space here also. Okay, now write again another field set and don't say mistake here. Set legend. Okay, I think it was legend was cloud. I think, yeah, in last it was cloud. Yeah, physics only at this much. Okay, now we need for get AWS basic in AWS tool cloud with cloud, and value will be AWS level for copy this, and now I think I make this WS now Cloudflare. Title will be Cloudflare, and value will be Cloudflare. Okay, this much we needed, I think. Yeah, this much we needed. We don't need this much. Need so much. Yeah, only this much is enough for us now. Okay, I think button should be created here. Yeah, I forgot one thing also. It is form, and I forgot to write form here. Okay, now it is being form. Copy. And no, I forgot to write one thing, and I just now remember what I have forgotten. Form. Okay, now we'll make button. Button, it will be type, will be submit, and after that it will have submit submit submit. Now after that our main is finished. Now let's leave some horizontal lines here, and now write footer. After that ref, and we'll be going to after technical skills. We are going to, let's see, now after technical skills we are going for projects. Okay, after technical skills we are going for project.html. Okay, we are going for project.html, and I forget another thing also here. I think it should be inside the s3 copy, and here it is inside the s3, and here should be click here to move to next page to every time next page to fill the credentials. Okay, we are in technical. Okay, now I think technical skills also. Now submit is being so much close to the field set. Yeah, now it is not being so much close to the field set. Okay, it is. Now we'll move back into project.html. Okay, now it's also finished, I think. Yeah, technical skills also finished. Yeah, don't need so much here now. Yeah, I think it is being finished now. Let's cut this also. Now we have moved to project.html. First make the HTML boilerplate. Now we'll write here projects, and wait, we'll be going to the header header. Projects you have done. Okay, now we have write the project in CTS projects. Yeah. Okay, let's write here. Mention the projects you have done by yourself or as a team. So teams and the projects you have done by yourself or as a team, and you can also mention the projects you are currently doing. Don't forget to mention SPEC especially. Okay, let's see here. S2, yeah, S2. Let's run and see. It is being, yeah, by the, it is being, I think I should write this in paragraph. If it is in paragraph, it will be good, I think. Yeah, I think not in S2. It will be good in paragraph. Yeah, we can. No, S3 also it is being. S3 will also be good. Okay. Now S3 we have written. Let's check obvious studio. Oh no, it's been almost 1 hour. I'm doing. Okay, after that header is completed. Yeah, my header is being completed now. Yeah, my header is now completed. Okay, let's move to what we have done and what we have needed to make the project name, technology use, problem solve, your contribution, results or features, GitHub link, live demo, if available. Okay, we will make it inside also. Okay, that project can be many. Yeah, project can be. Yeah, project can be many projects. Yeah, we'll make it in list. Yeah, we'll right now we'll make the field set. Okay, I have thinking one thing. Okay, field. Okay, we'll gonna write here field set. We know when we don't need here legend. Okay, we don't need. Okay, we need legend here. Project details. Okay, now here we'll need label for name, project name, project name will be project name here, and we will gonna finish this project name, and we will write input here. Type will be text, and id will be prgt project name, and name will be also project name, and placeholder we don't need. Placeholder size will be needed. Size minimum will be okay, minimum 50. Minimum the project name should be almost 10. Almost every project will like project Google. So, okay, let's make it 6. Minimum length, yeah, minimum length should be 6, and max length will be almost let's see, max length can be almost 50. Yeah, project name should not be so much long. Oh no, undo. Where is the undo button? I think I forgot what to do undo. I think Ctrl Z, yeah, undo doing. Yeah, Ctrl Z was undo. Okay, now I have write this. Let's copy, Ctrl copy. Okay. Now what we need? Let's see, technology use. Okay. It will be TCHNOLOGY technology use. Okay. TCHNOLOGY OGY technology used. Used. Its name will be TCHGY technology, and ID name will be also technology. CHNOLOGY technology. Name will be also technology. Size. Okay, in size it should be of 200. It is so much long, I think. I shouldn't give a size of, okay, let's give the size of 200. Okay, we don't need to worry about too much. HTML minimum 4. Okay, 4. Max length can be 200. Okay, let's see here. Oh no, it's taking too much. Okay, let's add here BR tag. I think I forgot to write a tag. That's why it is being so much. Okay, it is being so much long and long. Yeah, it is taking so much long. We will fix that in CSS. Now we should. Okay, why we should have to make it real? Let's make it 100 only. We don't need to make like it is real now. For this time, only for looking good, let's make it 100. We don't need to make so much big. Okay, label for technology use also we have used written here. Now we'll write via tag. So via tag. Now we'll problem solved. We'll write also same. We'll write also here. PROBLM problem. BD is your project name. Right here, problem solved. Really problem solved. Its name will be also problem solved. Size will be 100. Minimum length should be 5. Maximum length should be also okay. There was a problem, so I stop it. Okay, now let's see your problem solved. We'll write also. Now after that your contributions. Okay, we'll gonna write contribution. So now let's make it CONTREB contributions. ID also, that's also contributions, and it will gonna be also 100, minimum 10s also, and it will gonna be max also 100. Now I will copy this. Every time I need to do write that br. I have write br also. By using tab I am doing this, writing br, and clicking tab will automatically close with greater symbol, less than symbol, and greater symbol. Okay, now after contributions, what we need is results or features. Okay, we'll write results. Okay, we'll write features. Okay, we'll write here features. Features. We'll write here REF features. ID will also be of FEATURS features. Name will be also FEATURS features. Yeah, minimum, and right also return now GitHub link of that project. Okay, br. Okay, now we'll write here project for GitHub link. Okay, GitHub link. If any GitHub link of project. Okay, we have write this also. GitHub ID will be GitHub link, and contribution will also GitHub link, and it will be URL, not that features problem solve contribution. Okay, that is enough. Now what we should have, live demo, or it should be okay. We will write here live demo for live demo, and we'll write here placeholder. Okay, live demo. Okay, LIVE live demo, and name will also be live demo. Size will be okay. Live demo will be URL. Yeah, live demo will be the URL. Okay, we should have the right placeholder also. Yeah, placeholder will be equals to the placeholder will be example live website running your project. Website link running your projects. Yeah, live website link running your projects, that can be include here. Yes, URL, only URL will be, I think, accepted. Is everybody will live their works in websites like that. Yeah, we cannot. I'll make this also URL. Let's see here what happened. Live website link running your project. Project name. Yeah, I write project name 2 times here. Where is that project name? I have written this 2 times. Yeah. Now let's see. Yeah, project details. Okay, we have written everything. Project name, features. Okay, now we will make the submit button here. Okay, first again I have forgot one thing. I have to make it form. I forgot that thing also again. Forgetting everything every time. For form close. Yeah, form close automatically. It being closed. Now after that form being closed, here I need to make the submit button be button type will be used for submit. Yes, UVI submit. And after the form, we're gonna add something here. We're gonna make a link href. After the submit, okay, first we will make this. Now after being submit, we cannot display like click here to submit another, like that can be done by using JavaScript. So we will write both text here and later we will fix that with JavaScript when we learn JavaScript. Okay, first only we will write only the ref link and project here, and click here to submit. Here to submit your next, click here to add your next project, next p project. Yeah, it is being. Now I will close this switch as 3. Now sorry, ctrl z, and it's 3 should be shown here. Yeah, now as 3 being shown, click here to add your next project, and after the main, yeah, after the body, no, inside the body we'll add a here footer, and again in s3, first leave some space. First we're gonna leave some space here, br br br, and we will gonna add s3 href, and same after projects. I think we will go to education. Yeah, I think after projects we'll go into the education.html, and again we will go to some of the anyone and click here and copy, and we are in project and display here. So after that I think it is finished. Yeah, I think it is finished now. Yeah, I think it is finished now. Submit should be a little bit down. Let's add one br, it is enough. Okay, I think now it is completed. Yeah, let's move it a little bit down, more down. Yeah, I think now it is. Yeah, okay, project name details, we have write everything we need. Now after that we will move to next. So okay, after projects we think we will move to, oh no, it was work experience. But after the projects, yeah, ChatGPT gives us in these other technical skills, and projects should be, I think education should be here, and after that projects. Yeah, it will be best. Yeah, it will be best. Like we will make after technical skills, like after technical, we'll move this to the education. We will move this to the education after the technical, and after the technical we'll after education, and education after project, projects after work experience. Yeah, project will move us to work. It will be better. Yeah, it will be better for us. Work.html will be better, I think. Yeah, work.html will be. So I have make changes here, so let's copy them and move this aside here, and only this project here, and move these two project here. Okay, now I have moved this project, and I use Miro as it is so much easy to use and free. Okay, now in 4th place or 5th place it will be education. Okay, now we'll make the education. Okay, now we will, projects will be going to work, and we should finish the education now. First let's finish the education, and after that we'll move to work. Okay, it will be education. It will be obviously header, which has one, reduce your education and it will be finished. Okay, let's see projects, experience, degree, college, graduation year, coursework. Okay, now we will gonna write your name. Yeah, now we will gonna create a form, and that form will gonna hold the field set, and inside that field set we're gonna have a legend, and it will have something education details, and after that education details we will gonna have label. Okay, label for DEGRE degree, degree input type will be equals to degree type will be text. Yeah, type will be text, ID will be degree, DEGRE degree, name will be also DEGRE degree, and yes, we can make degree also checklist or radios, but that will be so much long. Yeah, that will be so much long for us to include here. Okay, now size will be up to 100 we'll set, and the minimum will be 10. Yes, maximum length, sorry, that was maximum length and I was writing minimum. I also need to check what does this mean, minimum and maximum means. I know minimum length means we have to input that much later also, and max also, but minimum and max I don't know what they are used for. Okay, we'll see that in later. ID is degree, name is equals to degree. Here I think only not the degree passage also will be college also. Yeah, degree if any. Yeah, degree if any. I will write degree if any. Is everybody can't have degrees, so if any. Okay, everybody, let's college also. I will make college also if any. Yeah, degree also I'm making. Okay, school. What does that school pass? I want to ask one thing for ChatGPT. What does we call the class 12 passed out? School pass out. What globally? Let's check what we called. Yeah, it's from higher secondary graduate. School graduate in the India. Okay, not an graduate at 12 is called an undergraduate. The plural equivalent is for pass out, meaning to graduate is simply to graduate. Context. Okay, I have make 1 minute model. Okay, right here we will school level pass out. School level. Pass out class. School level pass out class will be better. Yeah, I think it will be better. Now we will write here school level pass out. Okay, which I have some problems. It's star. Okay, now let's write degree. Okay, yeah, degree school. Yeah, we have to write school level pass out class. I think school level pass out. Okay, we'll write it as school, and it will be so much, not size will be almost 10, minimum will be 1, maximum will be 10. Let's write here placeholder also. Placeholder example 10 or 12. You have pass out. Okay, let's see this also. Okay, I think school degree have been so much. Size will be 20. I think I should make this size 20. Not that also size can be 30. Okay, let's make this 30. 30 is still not being enough. What the hell, man? Yes. Now let's make this small little bit. Now I think I always forgot to write BR again and again. BR. Okay, I have write BR also. Now school degree. Okay, not school degree or school GPA. Guys. 5 and it should be number here. Yeah, it should be number here. Should be number here also. Now it is correct, I think. Yeah, school GPA. We have to write school GPA here now. School GPA class minimum length should be 10, not 10, 5. And 1, 2, 3. So let me 3. Yeah, now I think here max length and minimum length. Okay, I think it is good now looking. Yeah, it is now good. School level pass out like this. Can I write point also? Yeah, 3.1. Yeah, we can write point also. Okay, school GPA also written. Now let's move to graduation year. Okay, degree, and when that we'll write graduation here. Write BR graduation year. Okay, here we'll write graduation year. It will be also number. Graduate and graduation year will be So graduation year. Size will be 20. Minimum length will be 4. Max length will be 4. Let's say make it 10. Placeholder will be equals to example 2026. Okay. Okay, graduation year. Last school GPA. Okay, we only need this now. The relevant coursework. Of course, any done. Okay, now let's coursework. BR also, course. If any, minimum length text will be the course. That's the course. URC course. Okay, we'll put required later on, like while we're checking the data is being correctly given or not, we'll write required at that time. We're writing now only, we are making the data structure now only. Okay, let's see here. And coursework done if any. Okay, this much is needed, we don't need any. After that, button type will be submit. It is submit, and I know what I need here. BR. Yes, and after that, footer. I will write this. Yeah, in footer I have write this after education. Oh, after education we'll go to project. Yeah, yes. PRJCT project.st. Yeah. Yes. And we'll make some BR here. BR here. Okay, this much BR will be enough. Yeah. School GPA. Let's say. Let's write placeholder here also. For example, 3.10. Okay, this much is enough. Okay, now we have done project.html also, education also. So let's move to the work. Now we have to done in work. Sorry, HTML. Yeah, does I have write? Yeah, in title I have write already education. Now work experience will write here. Experience. Here we'll write header. H1 we will write, and work experience experience work experience. After that, now I will write main. Your form will write. Okay, we are done in this much, and I will be right back again. So like I have to go for dinner, so I will be right back again, and I will come and do project. Okay, I'll stop for right now, but don't go right. The video will cut off and come to that one. Okay, you don't have to go back. Just I am telling that I am stopping here and I will. Okay, guys, let's complete the work HTML. I am back now again. Okay, let's complete the work experience. Let's first see here work experience. Okay, okay. Here are the. Let's first see the chat GPT. Let's search chat and as ChatGPT professional skills. Okay, let's see what it asks. Achievement, certification, or experience. Okay, first I will make the comment and then describe this. Okay, let's do your work experience is in header. There is work experience and in form. Let's mark first make the field set. Okay, yes. Okay, then make the legend. Here will be work exp or experience details. Okay, let's add the details. details details. Okay, now after that let's include the let's experience the real work experience. Let's first here is freelancing work, internship, volunteer work. So first any work experience. Let's make that one field set again. And in legend any job experience if any job experience if any writing detail any writing details. Okay, it will be gonna here. Okay, details. Now let's label it. Okay, label for job here and will be the write your job experience in details. Okay, let's make the text area with minimum. Oh no, it is area accessibility. Like, okay, let's make the minimum length. Here minimum length is not in play. Yeah, now I think now it is size and yes, size and all things are not included. Okay, let's leave it as and make id only. Make id is job only and name also is a job. Okay, it will be best. Let's first see also what it's looking like. Oh, it's not loading. I think something has happened. Okay, here level is mistake. Now let's see HTML is closed. Okay, it's not loading. Why it's not loading? Work.html is not loading properly. Is it problem? Where is the problem? Header adds on. Header body also close. Main also close. Form also close. Field set also close. Then what's the problem is? Oh, problem is with title. I got it now. Problem was with title. Again, no, I think yeah. Problem was with the title. Okay, now we got now. Let's add placeholder also. No, placeholder. We don't need to write. Okay, now it is enough. Okay, now another if another field set we're gonna use. Okay, now another field set is it will contain legend. Let's add freelance work if any, internship work, volunteer work, just with measurable outcomes, leadership roles if any. Okay, This also will gonna describe, but which first? Okay, first what will you do? Like here the work experience written. Now we think in the second field set we will write everything. I think, yeah. If any, write any, yeah, because we are in HTML, and later we will make it by clicking only, right? Okay. Now here only we will do this. Now we will create a one field set. Okay. Now we will create a field set. If any of them, write in details. If any of them, write in. If any of the experience you have, right? Any of the experience you have, write in details. If any of the experience you have, write in details. Okay. Now we're gonna use a label for equals to freelance, and freelance will be freelance work. Okay. We will see also in middle what we should look at. Freelance work, internship. Okay. Freelance work also text area will be ID. Freelance name will also be freelance. Now text area will be as it is. Okay. Now add a label every time. Okay. First add br, then label for. Now we'll write for internship. Okay. Now write for internship. Okay. Now we'll write internship here. Interns. Okay. Now we write internship. Okay. ID also. Okay. ID also internship. Now name will also be internship. Yeah. So be intern. And name will also be internship. We are now we'll write what we have, volunteer work. Okay. Okay. Now we'll write volunteer work. Only volunteer will write. Okay. Not volunteer work. We will only write volunteer. Okay. Only write volunteer here. And name also volunteer work. Okay. Now it's okay. Let's see. Its br is also, yeah. It's br also. Now I think we should add two brs, not one br. It is looking so ugly there. Okay, let's add two br. Okay, let's add two br. You know what? We have just copied this again, and we'll paste here label personal projects with measurable outcomes. Okay, we'll write this also. Let's copy. Now we will make it personal. Okay, we'll make it personal projects with measurable outcomes. Okay, so now projects. Okay, we'll make it personal, and the name will be also personal. Okay, text area, so personal. Okay. Okay, here are some problems, so I do that. Okay, now for personal we have right. Okay, now after personal we have leadership roles. Okay, now is leadership role. Okay, first let br here, and oh no. Okay, let's write level, copy this, and here leadership. Let's write leadership, leadership, leadership only. Okay, leadership. What was this? Leadership role, I think. Yeah. Roles, if any. Leadership. Wait for a few seconds here also. Okay, let's now begin. Okay, leadership roles, if any, also we have right almost all, I think. Yeah, work experience we have all the things. I'll write in details. Okay, I think it is finished now. Yeah, it is looking good now. I think, yeah, it is looking good now. Let's make a submit button. Its field set also closed. Let's make a submit button. In button equals to type will be submit. Submit and submit submit. Let's add br here. I think it is looking good now. Yeah, it is br. Now let's move from main and comes to footer. Now we'll copy, just copy here, copy from one of those, again writing again and again will make us a problem. So we'll copy this and we are in work, and after work experience, where we'll go? After work experience we'll go for certification. Okay, we'll go for certification. Then let's make here certification, certification, certification. Yeah, certification. Click here. Okay, let's add some br here. Okay, let's add br. I have add br also. Okay, let's see what space. Let's move to certification.html. It's move us to the let's move us to the certification.html. Okay, let's move us to the certification. Okay, let's see here where we are. Certification. Okay, let's move to the certification without any problem. Okay, I was just thinking. Okay, we have made the boilerplate also. Now see in certification. Okay, let's see ChatGPT what's tell about certification. Okay, we'll make it first certification. Choose one certification. Certification can be any. Yeah, certification can be of any certification. Okay, we'll write certification name, organization, and year also. Okay, now first make header certifications. Okay, now we'll write main your form field set legend and certification details. Details we will gonna add. After that certification details we have made the field set. Okay, now we will make label for certification name. And okay, let's make it more looking good. Okay, let's make it more looking good. Yeah, I think it will make us more good. No, I think it will not make more good. No, we will add this label for certification name. After that certification name, and it will have input type will be text here, and id will be certification name. Name will be also certification name, will also be certification name. And let's only this must know size also need to be 40, so need to be 50. Okay, let's size will be 50, and minimum length will be 5, and maximum length will be 50 here, and only this much is enough, I think. Yeah, every time I'm making the mistake in label name, I'm getting confusion here. Okay, now it's another label for certification. What that was? Organization. Yeah, the organization JSON. This org. What is spelling organ? Organization. Okay, organization. It is organization name from where you get certificate. Okay, we will write input. Type will be also text here. ID will be organi ZADIN organization. Name will be also RGANI ZADIN organization. Size can be 100. Okay, let's make it 100. Okay, not let's make it 100. Let's make it 80. Okay, minimum length will be also 5 and max length will be of 80. Okay, and max length will be also 80. Yeah, this much is okay. Let's add BR also. We forgot to add BR also. Yeah, let's add BR also. Now we need label for year. Okay, I think ID or year of certificate. Okay, we'll make it year certification year. Okay, we'll make it certification year. Certification year. We'll make it and we'll add certificate. Here you get certification. Now input type will be text. No, type will be number here. Now ID will be certification year. Okay, now class not class. It will be name will be also certification year. Okay, this size will be of 4, not less than, no, 4. Let's make it 8. And minimum length will be of 4. Max length will be of 4. And we will have placeholder here is example 2026. Now only this much we need. Yeah, only this much we need here, I think. Yeah, now I think we need to work with some submit button. Okay, let's add BR and make submit button also here. TTN button type will be SVM submit and it will be submit button here. Okay, now certification can be any more certification can happen at one time. Okay, we need to add more. If we have to add more certification, then I think, yeah, what's the problem I get actually here is I forgot to make h1 header or to make h1 header. Yeah, and here also in document I forgot to write certification. Okay, let's make it certification form more professional. Okay, we have now submit. What's with the education or like we have, I think in project we have made. Yeah, you have to add your next project. Yeah, we have made with S3. Okay, in work technical summary where we are certification. Okay, after certification we make here something like that. No, we will make it outside the ref. We'll add some BR here and S3, then a ref dot certification dot html and click here to add and the certification. If have to add in the certification if you have. Okay, I think it is perfect now. Yeah, it is perfect now. Now let's move from main to footer. Okay, now let's move to footer. Okay, Now we are in footer. Let's copy this and go to certification. Here in footer we make double footer here. Okay, in certification, after certification I think we have to go to Langsoft. Yeah, we have to go to Langsoft, I think. Yeah, we have to go to Langsoft. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think I have forgot one thing another here also. Forgotten part is BR. Yeah, I forgot, but BR even with two. Let's make two BR here. Even with the BR is looking so close. I think two BR needed. Yeah, two BR needed. Okay, now we need BR in here. We need many BR here. Okay, we add BR here. Okay, we add BR almost. Okay, this much BR is enough, I think. Now let's move it to more down here. Okay, I can make it in here one line also, but I'm making this. Don't worry, it is not happen. It's not about the format list. It will make automatically. It will automatically format it, so we don't need to worry about this. Okay, we are in now language of support, HTML, and down we have now boilerplate. Okay, now let's start with header. We will write it here language and soft skills by h1 language and soft skill, language and soft skills. Okay, make it the header. Now we should move to main. Yeah, we are in now main. Now let's set form and here field set. Okay, then legend. After legend we will have language and soft language and soft skills details. Okay, now we'll create another field set also. Legend and we'll make language GUS languages. Okay, we'll make it languages here. Wait for some time. Okay, now we'll make it languages here. What's language? Okay, let's close the certification and we'll see a language. Yeah, language it is seeing now. Let's see the what was the plan of ours. Okay, in language we have to add like this. What languages you know? Conversations, personal working proficiency, native. Okay, personal working proficiency, conversational. Let's make three form filling work and we'll add native, professional working proficiency, conversational, languages. Okay, now let's make which languages and we will make here make label label for native native. Now we'll add native lang language NGU is languages you know. Languages input will be type will be text, your id will be native. Yeah, id will be native here, then name will be also native and your size will be of 100. Okay, we'll make it minimum length will be 3 and max length will be of 100 and we don't need here placeholder, only this much. Okay, we'll add 2 br tag. Now again here will be a label for working proficiency professional king proficiency languages. professional working okay, PROFESS, professional working proficiency languages. We'll add also here, and now after table we'll write input. Input type will be also text. ID will be working proficiency, and name will be also same here, working proficiency. Yeah, name will be that, and size will be also 100 here. So minimum length will be same 3, and max length will be also 100. Okay, max length will be also 100, and only this much I think. Yeah, only this much. br now again write label for conversational and converses language LNG languages, conversational language, some languages. Okay, now we have to write input type will be also text. ID will be CUNBRSATIONL conversational, and name will be also CUNBRSATION conversational. Size will be of same 100 again, and minimum length will be 3, and max length will be same. Max length will be 100, and I think now it is finished. Yeah, now languages is finished. Okay, now languages is finished. Now write field set for another soft skill. Okay, legend legend, and now we'll write soft skill. After legend we'll see which things are included in. Okay, solving teamwork, communication, time management. Okay, we'll write this also here. Okay, let's head here. Okay, we are in a soft skill. Okay, let's add another. Here we should add, first we should add here in a soft skill, we should write one thing here. Only introduce skills you can demonstrate. Okay, we'll only write this. Let's copy it. Only include the skills. Okay, let's here write label. Okay, what are the example? Okay, from label for equals to soft skill, and we will write here skills, and then write with text area. Let's write text area. ID will be soft skill, and your name will also be the soft skill. Name will also be the soft skill, and only this much. Yeah, soft skills. Write soft skills, and we'll write here placeholder. The example. In example, we'll write teamwork, time management, communication. Teamwork explanation also. Yeah, teamwork with explanation. After that, to communications, CUM in communication. Little explanation here. Explanation skills. Okay, let's see here. Let's explanation. Okay, we are here also. Now after sort skill, let's add some br tag. Okay, it will be enough. Now inside the br tag, here I think should be max length should be 1000, not more than that. Okay, dot, let's add dot also. And after that we write soft skills also. Now let's see what it is here. Skills you can demonstrate. Okay, skills. After the soft skills, let's make a button tag SVMIT submit. Now it will be submit button, SVMIT submit button. Okay, this much I think. Now we are finished. Yeah, now we are finished. Now submit button also created. Now it's add br1 and then it's finished almost. Yeah, it's finished. Now we will gonna add footer and we will copy from here. Okay, we'll copy from here south and land, and we will write here generate generate.html. Okay, here is generate. Click here to generate your cv. Click here to, we'll write it here generate. Click here to generate generate your resume, or it's called cv, or it's resume. Okay, now we will write, we'll make here one page also. generate generate.html. Okay, we'll write this also here generate.html. We have write. Now it is generate.html. Okay, generate.html. So is the first language and soft. I think here this written document. Yeah, we should make it language and soft skill generate generate. Okay, we'll write here cv generator, cv generator. Okay, now it will be header. Your cv resume is being generated. Please wait for while. We will write this in h1 tag. Okay, we'll write in this. Okay, now in here in main, now we'll make tell the ChatGPT. We'll go there where we have generated the CV photo. I think we have generated here. Yeah. Now let's change this to your CV is, say, in the download to download the CV. Click in the download button to download the CV. Okay, let's see what changes it will make. Okay, we'll wait this. For that we will write only image source and alt generate GNE generated cv notice image. Okay, we write this also. Now in down, now it should be inside the figure so that it will come in the middle. Okay, as you are a figure in down, I will write the figure. Okay, I will write the figure, and after that we should include download button. Yeah, we'll make this download button. Okay, by s2 ref, we will make it hashtag for now so that duwl and download and only this much. Okay, let's see ChatGPT does make. Okay, okay, click on the download button to download streaming. Okay, now I will download this. Okay, I will hide this from you guys as my privacy concerns. Okay, where is html.css? Okay, here it will be cv generate. Okay, cv generate. Here we have generated. Now let's go back to the source, and we can see that here we have cv generated.png. Okay, download also. Now in the footer, let's write here footer s3. Thank you for using us. Okay, thank you for using us. We will make it s2 also plus. Okay, s2 is s2 h1 s3. Okay, I think it is. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think I have to make it white also. Okay, it is white will be 500 and height will be 300. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, it's white, height is 300 is okay. White should be 800. Okay, let's make white as 800. White, so much white it's making. It's 500 is okay, and it's also 500 is okay, I think. Yeah, it's 500 is 500. Okay, no, 500 is also being so much. 300. Okay, now it is looking good. Well, CPU is resume is generating. Is being generating. Please wait for a while. Okay, now I can download. Thank you for using us. Now right, CV generator, ES3, CV maker, maker things, and we have to go to index. Okay, now let's write this also. Straight runner, CV maker. Let's use areas for. Okay, let's use areas for. Okay, it's looking nice now. I think we are in index, not in there. Okay, it is looking good. Oh, it is looking good. Yeah, it is looking good. Okay, now we have to do, like, we have finished all the, but one problem is here, we have forgotten to write the required. I know I have forgotten this. Okay, now do from first. I know I have forgotten this. Yeah, in every REQU I already required. It's needed everywhere, so I will just copy it and paste everywhere. Okay, copy. Email also needed here. Number also needed. Is address also we need it here. Required. GitHub we don't need. LinkedIn also we don't need. Type button now it was done as required here. Let's head back to the summary.html. In summary.html also we required this text area. After summary that we to go to technical, and in technical skills, so I will see here we don't need like everything required. Yeah, technical skills can be 0 also. Yeah, technical skills can be 0 also, so we will not make it required. Education.html also we will not make it required. It's a student can do anything also, like a student school level pass out also required. Yeah, this is required or not required. Okay, not, let's not make it, we will not make it required. Is can person can be, no, we will make the school required only. Yes, everybody go to school now. We'll make it this only required. Okay, we'll make only this required. After that, where we have to go, project.html. Project.html, we need one project.html. Yeah, if projects we need projects, without project nobody can get a job now. Yeah, projects we need, projects we need, textures we need, and GitHub link will not read. Yeah, GitHub and live demo will not make a lip as it is. Now after project.html, where we have to go, work.html. Okay, work.html also will not make it required. Okay, and now after certification.html also we don't need to require it. So after certification we go to lang.soft, and lang.soft one native language is required. Yeah, everybody should have one native language, so native should required also, it is required. And soft skills we don't need required. Yeah, it is now, it is perfect, I think. Yeah, now let's check, like let's do one final, check, and we will complete this project completely. So let's highlight and go to the code here, and it is, now I'll give the project details. Here is, it is my project curriculum vita maker, and it will make our resume, let's say our resume, and it is only made in HTML, like backbone only made it. Other CSS JavaScript is not included here because we are using only HTML and making this project. As a beginner, I'm making this project to make my HTML knowledge more depth, and it's very much strong. That's why I'm making, and it is my first HTML project. So let's see here, I have made this project, and I have click here to make a resume. I click here. Okay, after clicking here I go to this contact information, and I fill the contact information from move to ahead. Okay, form to move ahead, sorry I read incorrectly. Okay, when I click into enter full name, I have to click here and enter full name. Okay, let's add my full name and start filling. Email also we will write example@gmail.com, not my real. Okay, phone number also 974, no, 971234567. Okay, 12, and ruler. Okay, we'll write here Pokhara Kaski, country will be Nepal. We'll write here Kaski. GitHub also we will write link here https github.com. We'll write anything that comes in our mind. LinkedIn.com in dot, we'll write everything. Now here also https we'll write here .com. Okay, now I'll submit this. Let's see it's submit or not. Yeah, it's being submit. If I write only this much. Okay, let's see here. Let's write anything. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is built-in features. Like if we don't include at the rate, and it will show up like this. Okay, and it was not required in my code, so that it is not saying required here. Okay, yeah, I think everybody understand. In email address will always in here. When I hover it, yes, please include, and it is showing here. Oh, okay, it is working properly. Okay, click here to move to next page. Okay, if I submit here, Okay, it is not being required, I think. Yeah, it is not being required, but summary of yourself was required, I think. Summary of yourself was required. Yeah, in text area it is not required, I think. Text area can be required or not required also. Okay, we'll fix this later. No, we'll not fix it. We'll leave this as it is. Okay, in later we'll make it text area to input type, and from there we will make it required. But it is now we're only doing in HTML. That's why I have next in text area. Okay, click here to move to next credential. Okay, technical skills also is being clicked properly. No log out here, submit. Okay, we submit and it is giving the value also. See in the here. That's why I was writing name. Okay, here it is giving value also. Programming, Java backend. Okay, click here to move to next page. Education also working properly. We don't need degree here. Submit. Let's say submit. Okay, it is being working properly. Let's submit here also. Okay, it is saying please out. Click here to next. Yes, it's also working. Now this job experience. Okay, submit. It's also working. Now certification also working. It's also working. Now this it's also working. Submit. Okay, native language. It's also being okay. Everything is being work. Okay, now let's give you the give you the overview of my course of every course. Okay, here is my code and I have put it in the description. You can see the code and it will be public. Okay, here is my code index.html code. Now after that I will show you step by step what was now here is my contact.html code. You can see here. Okay, let's here is my contact.html code. You can see here. Okay, it is my contact.html code and every code is in the description. You can go and check out there. Okay, now I think this project one is finished and we will make our next project in the next video. So this much for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye everyone.